everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a keyboard shortcut or keybind for Discord to navigate forward. So let's go ahead and go into user settings and then go to keybinds. All right, so I have a couple keybinds already active. I'm going to click add keybind here. And then I'm going to go scroll down underneath actions to navigate forward. So now I can go ahead and set the keybind. So this is going to navigate us forward in page history. So let's say we had navigated back and we want to go, I guess, back to, to what we were there before. I'm going to have this be Command V. So that's what you want to think about before you go ahead and record that keybind. So then you know what it is. Click record, Command V on my computer. And there we go. It has been set. If we want to get rid of it, we just click the red X. If we wanted to toggle it off or disable it while still keeping that one, we could toggle it off with the green check mark. But that is how you go ahead and set a navigate forward keybind for your Discord user. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.